I'm Ivory Hecker for LEX 18 in Jessamine County, covering some of the first storm damage today. You can see this tree broke off and fell across the road here on Bethany Road in Nicholasville. You can see it took down a power line with it. Deputies say Bethany Road will be blocked off until about 5 tonight as they work to clean up this mess. And officials say 2 homes are without power due to the downed line. Keep following LEX 18 on air and online for our latest Storm Tracker weather updates. For now, covering the news in Jessamine County from the LEX 18 Mobile Newsroom, I'm Ivory Hecker.